Howdy, welcome back to the shop. It's Huck says again, and continuing work on the Tesla Turbine electrical power control board. So the PC board came in yesterday, so it's finally time to start soldering and populating the board and test it out and see hopefully if it works. And I'm going to be playing this at 800% speed. Just to keep you guys from getting bored, but I'm actually going to play the whole thing pretty much uncut, so you can also sort of get an idea how the sausage gets made. So, enjoy. There we go. As you can see in the clip, I did a couple very basic continuity tests to make sure that there's no hard shorts or faults. I did a very basic plug it in, make sure it powers on, but I haven't gone any further with that, so stay tuned tomorrow and we'll do some more rigorous shakedown tests. Hope you enjoyed.